Oh, here's an update. As far as I got on it. Reinforced that side. Under it too. All the way down that way. I need to finish welding them though. Just tacked it. Reinforced the front one too. I rusted, but not so strong. I just need to finish welding these. I'm taking my time. Finally cut those off too. Reinforce that. Then they put another plate right here. Right there. I've really gotten to it. This is probably when the snow melted and I hurry up, messed around with this. Still gotta reinforce those. These are just tacked in. Just doing that right there. My own little grater. What we got today? Need to finish up some more of that weld again. Reinforce it. I didn't really reinforce it, I spaced it out. I just welded this part. I didn't put nothing there. I was gonna put something there. Right when I was done with this. This part. As soon as I was done, I just took off, started grading my road, the road. Did pretty good until I got to one of that rock, snapped it off. I reinforced that. I just did this. I just did that pretty quick. Come on, camera. Yeah. I just did that real quick, so don't judge me. And don't judge me about my welder. Here's the other one. Still need to finish this up too. Damn, pretty cool. Cool.